Crypto trading can be daunting for beginners due to emotional trading, time demands, complexity, and safety concerns. These challenges often lead to stress and poor decisions. Automated trading offers a solution by simplifying the process, reducing emotional influence, and enhancing security, making it an ideal choice for newcomers seeking a safer trading experience. Automated trading acts as a disciplined assistant, eliminating emotional decisions. Bots execute trades based on predefined rules, not emotions. This ensures consistent and rational trading decisions, providing a structured approach to the market. By removing the emotional element, automated trading helps beginners maintain discipline and make informed decisions, paving the way for a more secure trading experience. Automated trading bots offer 24/7 market coverage, ensuring no missed opportunities. They execute strategies with consistency and discipline, eliminating errors. This allows traders to focus on other priorities, freeing up valuable time. With bots handling trades, you can engage with the market efficiently and securely without the constant need for manual monitoring. Safety is paramount in automated trading. Reputable platforms use API keys to ensure your funds remain secure, never granting withdrawal access. Transparency in strategies and risk management features build trust, allowing you to control your trading environment. This approach minimizes risks and enhances security, providing peace of mind for beginners. Starting with demo accounts is crucial for beginners. It allows you to test strategies in a risk-free environment, building confidence before using real capital. This practical understanding is essential for a smooth transition into live trading, ensuring you're prepared and informed. Choosing the right platform is crucial for beginners. Opt for a user-friendly interface with educational resources and responsive support. Look for features like demo trading and transparent fees to ease your learning curve. These elements ensure a smoother transition into real trading, providing a secure and informed environment for your crypto journey. Automated trading is a tool for disciplined growth, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires setting realistic expectations, continuous learning, and market awareness. Embrace automation as a means to enhance your trading discipline and strategy execution, while understanding that market conditions still play a crucial role in your outcomes. Simplicity and safety are crucial for beginners in crypto trading. Simple strategies help reduce overwhelm and mistakes, while focusing on security and discipline provides peace of mind. By prioritizing these elements, new traders can confidently engage with the market, minimizing risks and enhancing their trading experience. This guide has shown you a safe, simple path to automated trading. Prioritize safety, simplicity, and education in your journey. Explore platforms that emphasize these principles for peace of mind. Your path forward is now clearer, empowering you to trade with confidence and security.